In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Zoho CRM. Understanding how to effectively use tags can greatly improve the way you manage and organize your data, making it easier to categorize leads and tailor your marketing efforts. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the homepage of Zoho CRM. This will be your main hub, and from here, you can access all the features Zoho has to offer. Once you're on the homepage, locate and click on the Leads tab. The Leads tab is where you store potential customers and prospective clients, so it's crucial to know how to utilize it efficiently. Upon reaching the Leads tab, search for the specific lead you wish to work with. Just hover your mouse over the lead you're interested in tagging. You'll see an icon for more options. Click on this. The More Options menu expands your capability to interact with each lead and is key in customizing your CRM experience. Once you've clicked on More Options, look for Highlight and click that. This step draws your attention to the lead and prepares you for the tagging process. From there, proceed by selecting the Add Tags option. This is where the power of tags comes into play. Tags are essentially labels you can attach to leads for easier identification and filtering. In the Add Tag section, you have the flexibility to either select from an existing list of tags or create new ones by typing them in. This customization allows you to categorize leads in a way that makes the most sense for your business strategy. After choosing or entering your tags, ensure everything is correct and then click on Save. Saving your tags is the final step to ensure your organizational adjustments are stored within the CRM. It's important to regularly review and update tags as this forms the basis for efficient data management and retrieval within Zoho CRM. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use tags in Zoho CRM. Tags provide a strategic advantage by organizing leads comprehensively and can simplify your marketing and sales processes. By following these steps, you can make sure your CRM is structured, leading to more efficient workflows and enhanced productivity. Make sure to apply these skills frequently to keep your data organized and your business running smoothly. Thank you for watching this guide on using tags in Zoho CRM. We hope this video empowers you to leverage Zoho CRM's tagging feature to its fullest potential. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out. Stay tuned for more insightful tutorials.